Hi everyone, welcome to today's trade of the day. And for today's trade of the day, I will be looking at the dollar CAD, right? So the dollar CAD on the daily, we see that price is actually making lower lows and lower highs, right? So we can expect price to come up and push at least a short-term limited push up towards a lower high, right? So if we were to do a retracement of the last move, okay, we get something like that. Okay, let's look at the 61.8 retracement level, which is a key Fibonacci retracement level, and that can very well be our target. Let's quickly go down to the 4 hours and let's put the resistance line over there as a sort of a take profit. Okay, so I'm just going to highlight that as a take profit. Alright, so now that we have our take profit level, what we need to do is find the entry and the stop loss. Okay, so let's go down to the 1 hour. Alright, and I'm just going to tidy this up a bit, so just bear with me for a while. Okay, so we know that this is the daily 61.8 and also the 4 hours graphical overlap. Now we also see on the 1 hour that, you know, price is making a series of higher lows, right? So if you connect all these higher lows together with a trend line, okay, something it holds like that. Okay, not the best trend line, but you can see clearly that it's really holding on a trend line. Okay, and we can actually use Fibonacci retracement from the low to high and open up the 50%. Let me just show you guys. Okay, if I open up the 50%, right, we see that 50% is in line with the trend line support. Coupled that with the negative 61.8, which is in line with the daily key level. Okay, so we have the 50% here like that, which could be a possible entry level. Now if I were to zoom in further and use this completed movement, right, and also use a Fibonacci from low to high, okay, the entry level sits very nicely at 50% with an intraday take profit, okay, at the negative 61.8, something like that. Okay, so we can have our entry at this area here. Now last but not least, the question is, where will our stop loss be, right? The stop loss is definitely the level which we know for sure our trade is wrong. Okay, so with that, right, we just need to see a very clear stop loss level. Okay, and the stop loss level that's very clear will be below this structure over here. Alright, so this works out to be a nice 1:2 trade. Okay, so because if price were to break below, okay, here it doesn't mean anything, right? But if price breaks below here, it will have broken below the ascending trend line support. It's also making a lower low. Okay, so this is why I put the stop loss there. Last but not least, we can also look at indicators. We see the price is holding above the short-term moving average, and MACD is above 0 as well. So that's the trade of the day that we have. Thanks everyone, take care, trade safe, stay safe, and I'll catch you guys again.